Do you aspire to become a top performer in your workplace? Welcome to the beginning of an exciting journey towards becoming a top performer in your professional life. Standing out in your place of work is not just about being noticed, it's about embodying the values, skills, and competencies that make you an invaluable asset. Becoming a top performer is not a sprint, but a marathon, requiring persistence, determination, and a keen sense of self-awareness. In this video, we'll be exploring the key steps to becoming a top performer. We'll start by understanding your role thoroughly, then move on to enhancing your skills. We'll discuss setting goals and tracking your progress, and finally, we'll delve into the importance of building strong relationships at work. Each of these steps builds on the last, creating a comprehensive roadmap to help you excel in your career. So, are you ready to embark on this transformative journey? Dive in to explore the steps to becoming a top performer at work. Start with understanding your role thoroughly. Every great performance begins with a clear understanding of the role that needs to be played. In the context of your workplace, this means grasping the full depth and breadth of your position within the organization. This understanding isn't just about what your job title is or what tasks show up on your to-do list. It's about knowing where you fit within the larger picture, how your work contributes to the overall goals of the organization, and what is expected of you by your colleagues, managers, and stakeholders. Understanding your role can feel like putting together a jigsaw puzzle. Each piece represents a different aspect of your job. Some pieces might represent tasks you need to complete regularly, while others might represent the people you interact with or the outcomes you're working towards. When you can see how all these pieces fit together, you gain a holistic view of your role. This comprehensive understanding of your role is vital for several reasons. First, it sets clear expectations. When you know exactly what is expected of you, you can focus your efforts on meeting and exceeding these expectations. You're not left guessing what you should be doing or how you should be doing it. Second, understanding your role facilitates better communication. When you know your position within an organization, you'll understand who you need to communicate with, when, and why. You'll know which team members to loop in on certain projects, who to go to with questions, and who to update on your progress. Third, and perhaps most importantly, understanding your role improves your performance. When you know exactly what your role entails, you can tailor your skills and efforts to excel in that role. You can identify areas where you need to improve and areas where you're already excelling. So take the time to delve into your role, ask questions, seek clarification, and strive to understand not just the what, but the why of your position. Remember, knowledge of your role is the first step to becoming a top performer. Next, focus on enhancing your skills. This is a crucial step on your journey to becoming a top performer at work. The world is constantly evolving, and so should your skills. A stagnant skill set is a surefire way to remain in the same position, but continuous learning and skill development opens doors. Consider the world of technology. It's an ever-changing landscape that demands constant learning. For instance, a software developer who stops learning new programming languages or doesn't stay updated with the latest tech trends might find their work becoming obsolete. On the other hand, a developer who continuously hones their skills, learns new languages, and keeps up with the changes will not only maintain their relevance, but also increase their productivity and performance. This concept applies across all fields. An accountant who learns the latest financial software or a marketer who stays updated with emerging social media platforms, they both enhance their efficiency and performance. Improving your skills isn't just about keeping up with the times, it's about becoming the best version of your professional self. It's about being able to do more, do it faster, and do it better. Now you might be wondering, where do you start? Well, the answer is simple. Start with your current role. Identify the skills that are crucial for your job and then look for ways to improve them. Take courses, attend seminars, read books, or find a mentor. Use the resources available to you to become a master at what you do. And don't stop at your current skills. Look for other skills that could complement your role. Are you a project manager? Learning some basic coding could help you better understand your team's challenges. Are you a salesperson? Mastering digital marketing could help you reach more potential customers. Remember, the more skills you have, the more valuable you become. Your skills are your currency in the professional world. They can help you secure promotions, negotiate better salaries, and even land your dream job. Invest in your skills, and they will pay you back with interest. The more effort and time you invest in improving your skills, the higher the returns you'll see in your performance, productivity, and overall professional growth. A top performer always sets goals and tracks progress. Goals are the lighthouses in the vast sea of professional life. They guide us, giving us a clear direction to steer our efforts towards. They are the milestones that mark the journey to becoming a top performer at work. But setting a goal is only the first step. The magic lies in crafting goals that are clear, achievable, and aligned with our broader professional vision. Imagine you're on a road trip. You've set your destination, but you haven't planned the route. Without a clear path, you might get lost, waste time, and end up feeling frustrated. The same applies to our professional journey. When we set clear and achievable goals, we define our route. We know where we are going, how to get there, and what we need to do at each step of the journey. But setting goals isn't enough. We also need to track our progress regularly. This is our compass, our tool to ensure we're on the right path and moving in the right direction. Tracking progress isn't about beating ourselves up when we fall short. It's about understanding where we are, identifying the obstacles in our path, and strategizing on how to overcome them. Regular tracking keeps us focused. It's like the constant ticking of a clock, reminding us of the passing time and the need to keep moving. It helps us stay motivated, providing a sense of achievement every time we cross a milestone. Moreover, tracking progress gives us valuable insights. It helps us understand what's working and what isn't. It shows us where we need to put in more effort and where we need to change our strategies. It's like a mirror, reflecting our professional journey and helping us make informed decisions. So, as a top performer, it's essential to set clear, achievable goals and track your progress regularly. This is the key to staying focused, motivated, and on the right path towards professional excellence. Goals give you a direction, and tracking progress keeps you on the right path. Building strong relationships is key to becoming a top performer. Now, this might seem like common sense, but it's not always common practice. Let's dive deeper into this. In the world of work, we're not islands. We're part of a complex ecosystem where each person, each role is interconnected. We rely on others and others rely on us. This is where building strong relationships comes into the picture. It's not about being liked or popular. It's about establishing mutual respect, trust, and understanding. Imagine the relationships you foster as invisible threads tying you to your colleagues, superiors, and subordinates. These threads, when strong, form a secure safety net. A net that supports you when you stumble, that elevates you when you succeed. Consider your colleagues. When you have a solid relationship with them, you create a supportive, collaborative environment. You can lean on each other for ideas, for help, for encouragement, and in turn, they can lean on you. This camaraderie can profoundly enhance teamwork, making each task less of a burden and more of a shared mission. Now think about your superiors. Building a strong relationship with them is not about bootlicking. Instead, it's about showing that you're reliable, capable, and committed. When your superiors trust you, they're more likely to entrust you with significant projects and responsibilities, helping you grow professionally. Finally, your subordinates. If you're in a leadership role, strong relationships with those under your supervision are essential. It's about creating a space where they feel valued and heard, where they're motivated to perform their best. And when they do, not only do they succeed, but so do you. In essence, strong relationships are a powerful tool. They can help you navigate the work environment more effectively, improve your teamwork, and play a significant role in achieving common goals. They can make your work life not just bearable, but enjoyable. Remember, in the grand scheme of things, it's the people who make the place. It's the people who make the job. And it's the relationships with these people that can make or break your career. Strong relationships are the backbone of a successful career. Let's recap the journey to becoming a top performer. It all starts with understanding your role. Recognize what's expected of you and how your contributions shape the bigger picture. This not only streamlines your efforts, but also aligns them with the organization's objectives. Next, we talked about enhancing your skills. This is a continuous process that includes learning new things and refining existing capabilities. Remember, the more skills you have, the more valuable you become. Setting goals and tracking progress is our third checkpoint. This is the compass that guides your professional journey, helping you navigate your way to success. It's crucial to set realistic goals and consistently monitor your progress towards them. Lastly, we emphasize the importance of building strong relationships. Cultivating positive connections with colleagues and superiors can open doors to new opportunities and foster a supportive work environment. Remember, the journey to becoming a top performer at work begins with a single step. Start your journey today.